If you love home crafts and DIY projects, then you should already know about Rotary tools. And if you know about these handy tools, you should also know about Dremel and their models 3000 and 4000 Rotary tools, as many professionals and DIYers swear by them. The Dremel 3000 versus 4000 are some of the most widely used Rotary tools by hobbyists, DIYers and professionals, but picking between these two can be a tall order. And although the two look very similar and are used for the same jobs, there are quite a few differences in both the performance and also the number and types of accessories and attachments that they come with. While you're still gonna get a great Rotary tool no matter which one you pick, in this video I'm going to compare them and show you what sets them apart so that you can make a more informed choice. So if you have a quick look on our blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, we've got a great blog post here for you. And if you look right here, we've got this great little section which quickly shows you the differences in the Dremel 4000 and 3000, such as the amps, the speed range, electronic feedback control, the number of speeds, the separate on-off speed control, accessory change system and the kit options. And then you can check the price of each one, and obviously you can go and buy from there. And from this table it's clear that there are some obvious similarities and differences between the two. The first difference is the size of the motor. With the 4000, this is significantly more powerful than the 3000 as it uses a 1.6 amp motor while the latter runs on a 1.2 amp motor. And while both are variable speed tools, the 4000 has a relatively higher top speed, as it can produce up to 35,000 RPM, which is higher than what you get on the Dremel 3000 with 3000 RPM. The 4000 has an electronic speed control and a separate speed dial, but the 3000 doesn't have either of these features. However, changing accessories is super easy on both of these Rotary tools as they both use Dremel's highly efficient and convenient EZ twist nose cap. So now I'm going to show you some of the key differences. We've got a few here for each of the 4000 and the 3000 Dremels. The Dremel 4000 is a newer model of the two, and so it tries to make up for some of the shortcomings of the model 3000. This means that there are some differences between two tools. Key among them is the electronic feedback control and kit options, and here is how the two tools differ. Number one is electronic feedback. The 4000 and other Dremel Rotary tools that came out after it uses an electronic feedback control which is not present on the 3000. The feedback control is designed to let you know when you are grinding too hard or your speed is off to improve your craftsmanship. This feature gives the 4000 higher level of control and manipulation than the 3000. Separate speed controls. Although both the 4000 and the 3000 have variable speed controls, the 4000 takes things a notch higher by having a separate on-off speed dial. This ability to alter the speed without interfering the power gives the model 4000 a significant advantage over the 3000. The separate speed dial means that you can slow or speed up the tool mid-cut to improve the outcome of your project. Number 3 is the kit options. Both of the 4000 and 3000 will come in different kit options to try and cater for the needs of different Rotary tool users. These kits will differ in the number of attachments and accessories, and this is indicated in the model number of the kit. For example, for the Dremel 3000 124 kit option, it means that it has one attachment and 24 accessories. The Dremel 4000 has 4 kit options, which are 4230, 334, 434 and 650, while the 3000 has 3, which are 3124, 125 and 228. Now, as I said, we've got a great blog post which highlights each of the features of both of these Rotary tools, the 4000 and 3000. So if you go to our blog and have a look at that, the link is in the description below. This will show you each of the kit options that you can get for the Dremel 4000 and the Dremel 3000. But I'm just going to go over a couple of these for you in this video. So starting out with the 4000, kit options, for example the Dremel 4000 334 Rotary Toolkit with 1 attachment and 4 accessories, which is more than the 4230 or the 334. This is a relatively more versatile rotary tool. This kit comes with 3 attachments, which are a multi-purpose cutting guide, sanding, grinding guide and detailer's grip, and 30 accessories. The 30 accessories are 1 engraving cutter and 1 high-speed cutter for carving and engraving, 4 cut-off wheels and 1 multi-purpose cutting bit for cutting, 2 silicon carbide grinding stones and 2 aluminium oxide grinding stones for grinding and sharpening, 1 nylon bristle brush, 1 carbon steel brush, 5 felt polishing wheels and 1 polishing compound for cleaning and polishing. You also get 1 sanding drum, 5 sanding bands and 4 sanding discs for sanding, and 3 miscellaneous mandrel accessories, 3 32-inch collet and 1 wrench. So if we now compare that to a Dremel 3000 toolkit, with the Dremel 3000 kit options, this one for example, the 124 Rotary toolkit, this is the cheapest Dremel 3000 kit, which is still a great buy for beginners and those that only need a rotary tool for occasional use. It comes with 1 attachment just like the 3125, but its 24 accessories are fewer than what you would get on the other 2 3000 kit options. So the single attachment on this kit is a sanding grinding guide and the following accessories: 1 high-speed cutter for carving and engraving applications, 2 cut-off wheels for cutting, 1 silicon carbide grinding stones and 2 aluminium oxide grinding stones for grinding and sharpening, 1 nylon bristle brush, 1 carbon steel brush, 3 felt polishing wheels and 1 polishing compound for cleaning and polishing, 2 sanding drums and 7 sanding bands for sanding applications, and 2 miscellaneous mandrel accessories, 1 dressing stone and 1 wrench. And although this is quite a basic kit, this kit can still be very useful for various home improvement projects and crafts. Choosing between the Dremel 4000 and 3000 should be easy because the 4000 is an improvement of the 3000 and it is also more powerful. If you're looking for a powerful rotary tool with higher speed output and lots of accessories, the Dremel 4000 is your best choice. And this is more so if you go for the 4650, because you get loads in that kit. And besides being more powerful, the 4000 also offers other convenient features, such as an electronic feedback control and separate speed dial, which can be quite handy for various projects. On the other hand, the Dremel 3000 is a great choice when you're just starting out and you're not going to be using your rotary tool a lot, or you're shopping for something more affordable. Its power and speed are also less intimidating, which also makes it more ideal for a beginner. The bottom line is that the Dremel 4000 is the better tool among the two, thanks to its greater power, speed and versatility. But the Dremel 3000 can still work for those looking for something cheap. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, we've got an amazing blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, where you can find out so much information on everything I'm talking about here. So make sure you go and check that out. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much.